All right, all right. Let's get this going here. Close that out. That. Bam. Bam. All right. Howdy. Howdy, howdy. All right. So, today's a big day. Very big day today. We're going to be doing some enemy cast attack stuff. So we're going to get this little guy right here. We're going to get them to start casting and then eventually doing damage to us.
From URL to IRL.
And it's going to be pretty sweet. Yeah. Pretty straightforward. I hope. We'll see. Probably not. But probably not. Ooh. There we go. Let's just do that a little bit. Cool. Cool. Alright, we got... Give it a couple more. And then... Alright, let's do this thing. So, really what I want to do is get I want to start doing with the UI, because ideally we want to see, before we start doing damage to the character, I think it would be super useful to be able to like visually see that. And so as promised, sort of, I got a health bar connected to the player. But there's a little stipulation with that. When we press play here, check it out. The health bar, it's there, like the little health bar UI. It scales when you scale the window. Pretty nifty. But the problem is that it's not taking in the gradient chart that we had before with like the enemy health bars. So how if we come over here and the little enemies here, how their health bars go down, you can see how it has colors. Well, we don't have a color. And I think that has something to do with either, I'm going to say it's a script, but I could just like not have connected it together properly. So we're about to try to solve that part first, I think. Possibly. Yeah, we'll see. We will see. I was also getting a little sidetracked, and with this little guy, I started to work on him like being able to cast. Because I feel like getting the purple guy to cast is going to be easier than getting the red guy to do the melee attack. Because we can already cast with our player, so isn't it like the same? Maybe, hopefully. We'll see. Swap that over. All right, one sec. I need to. There we go. Ooh. Let's get to work. Okay, so first things first, we want not purple, summoner. So the way I did the health bar was I did a player UI, and I just threw it as a random color for now, even though that color is not even showing up in the first place, which is just messed up. So here in the player UI, you can assign the progress bar. And the reason we want to assign the progress bar is because We come back over to the summoner here. And here it is. We want to get the player health bar exported. So we also set it again. This might be a little redundant now that I'm talking it through. Yeah, probably is a little redundant, but we'll keep going. And then similar to our enemy class, can I like reorganize this? There we go. Similar to our enemy class, on ready, or in the ready function, we are going to connect the health bar to our took damage function, or signal, sorry. And we're emitting the take damage function to took damage. So what that means is that this is the thing that is going to make the health bar go down, but not just like chunk down. It's going to make it tween, which is like slowly bringing it down, which is the much cooler way of doing it. And then from there, we are going to see, well, we're going to check if the health bar value is less than or equal to 0. Because if it is, that means that they're dead. And then we'll play this stuff. Now, I don't even have a character death animation yet. Now that I'm thinking about it. But we don't really need one either right now. For right now. Yeah. So let me look back at my whiteboard. All right, player UI. We're gonna do the player UI here. And we're gonna figure out why the colors are not presenting themselves properly. So I might have too many scripts, but we have one for the canvas layer that just exports the variable of progress bar. Because we can call on the player UI as the progress bar. Probably don't need that. But let's go over here to the progress bar itself. And this is all the stuff to make it happen. Now, we do have an auto hide function for on character took damage. So I think what we do is this will hide the bar, and I don't think we want to hide it. So I think we'll just, the function itself will just make sure that's visible and then show it. Pretty unnecessary, but if we change that, then we have to change, where is it? There's somewhere else where we had to, we have to change the signal. So on character took damage, and then take damage, player health bar between property, player health bar value minus value, then our player health bar equals the progress bar. Now I don't know how, this is my theory, that I don't think it's actually finding the correct progress bar, like this one. I think it's just taking whatever progress bar it can find. I don't know. I really don't know. Seems right. We got 2 style box flats. It's gonna go from the beginning to the end and fill. It has a value of 100 out of 100. That's really it. And then on ready, which should probably move that upward more, but on ready, it will set the player health bar, which points to the, over here, to this progress bar. it's going to set the max value, to be equal to the max health. Max health is in character stats over here at a hundo. And then it will... health bar. Oh, no. Summoner. It will set timer speed for the auto attack area to be the attack speed. And it'll set the set damage function as stats.damage. So it all connects back to the character stats. And then took damage, or we're connecting took damage to the player health bar on character took damage. And back up here, took damage is the signal that we're looking for. So on character took damage should be in the auto attack area, I believe. No. Maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, right here. Oh, let's go back to... I'm straying off. We want the color first. Just the color. So... go to the player health bar. And let's talk that through. So we're going to preload our asset for the health bar colors, which is down here under assets, I think. Right there, health bar colors. So that's this guy right here. And this will give us that nice gradient blend of like, green means you have a lot of health. Yellow is like middle. You get the point. And now, so it will set health bar colors to that. Constant. We come to on ready. Value change to on value changed, which is over in the... where is it? Where is value changed and on value changed? That might be in the on value changed, which is in the enemy health bar, which means it's in the player health bar. Yeah. So here it is, on value changed. I'm just gonna close this guy because this is getting a little confusing here. Wish I could like keep them organized. That would be nice. Every time I like move them around, it just unmoves them as I'm like clicking in. Kind of annoying. But we got... let's see, enemy. Oh, why are we extending? I guess that's fine to extend the canvas layer because it is a canvas layer. I don't even think we need a script in this, to be honest. Let's actually close the player UI script and delete it. I really don't think we need it. And if we do, well, that's an easy fix. Files removed required by other resources. Character scene. Oh, wait a sec. We do need it then. Okay. Wait, no. That was saying... UI player, UI scene. Yeah, no, we can remove that. And now we'll save with that gone. And then we will reload the scene. It's new. No, it's still saying a script's attached. Detach. And we'll find it. No, it's gone. Oh, that's the scene. I guess it's gone. Save. Don't break. Okay, cool. It didn't break. Yeah. Oh. Alright, now we go to back to the summoner. What is this one? Close. Oh, because I made it local. We'll just delete this and re-add it. Open something else. Delete. And then we'll re-add it. Control Shift A. Not enemy health bar. Player UI, I think is what I called it. Yep. And save. Come back over here. We'll assign. Oh. So we do have to make it local. Make local. Save. Come back over here. Assign the health bar. Save. And then we'll test it out. Oh, nuts. Took damage was not declared. Why wasn't it? Auto attack. Take damage. Oh, you don't need to make it local. Alright, redo that. Delete. Editable children. Player. Editable children. Editable children. Ah! Nifty. So now we come back over here. Oh wait, save. Oh, I have it running. Save. Then we're exporting a health bar as a progress bar. Why are you not showing up? Reload, maybe? I guess it won't let us until we fix the took damage. Even though that was like just fine 2 seconds ago. Took damage not declared in current scope. Took damage. We'll go to the enemy class, see where it says took damage. Wait, no, click on it. Yeah, signal took damage. Go over here. I don't think I did. Oh my, I must have. Huh. Strange. Yep, now it works. I don't remember deleting that. Maybe it's because I deleted the UI script. Let me set the progress bar. Save. We'll check. Yeah, there we go. There's our little progress bar up here in the corner. I mean, I'm probably going to mess with the location later, but that's not... Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We'll ignore that for now. All right. So now we want to get make sure that the color gradient is going on the health bar. or on this guy. Here, and I'm gonna go to turn that off. Theme overrides. We have the styles here. We have it local to scene. Then we have value change dot connect on value changed. We create a new style box, or a new style box flat. We set the corner radius of the bottom left and bottom right to 30. That's fine for now. Then we add a theme override, fill. So it goes to the fill one. Fill style box. And then oh, it's not starting with the bar gradient health card. That. It'll probably work if we took damage, and then it would. But it's not doing this now. So I think what we do is in the ready, we want to create the variable for bar gradient. And then just delete variable here and keep bar gradient equals. We'll do we want it in the ready? The ready won't loop, will it? Both nodes and show that at the same tree node. You'd have a function for setting the color. Then one value change in that you call that function. Oh, okay. And you call that function in ready. That makes sense. Okay, so we'll do func set bar color. I don't like that. And then we will do basically just take I'd have a function for setting the color, which is bar gradient equals health bar. And we can just, because it's function specific, we can just copy and paste that. Oh, no, we cannot. Oh, and then we go new value. Take the whole thing. So then we don't even need, then on value change, you call that function. Okay. So what would be the purpose of putting the function inside of a function and then calling that function on ready? Instead, can we just change this by just calling the function in the ready now? Like on, it's kind of cleaner. Okay. But it's dirty. Ooh, we don't like being dirty. Okay, we'll do it clean. We'll do it clean. So you're saying do this, and then Alt, bring it down. And we don't need this anymore. Only wanting for a signal not to be called in other places. Gotcha. What is... Why do you hate me here? Oh, that's why. Because I need to call it now. So set bar color. No, I mean, hey, if the goal here is cleaner code as well. So if we can get it cleaner, then we like it. And I need to put new value in there. Of course. Yeah, we definitely want them to do what they say they're going to do. Ooh. Maybe we do... Right. I completely agree with that thought process. Okay, so it needs an identifier. And we can't use new value. Max value in there. Oh, I saw it. Ah. All right, let's give that a try. Ooh. Okay. We are gonna fix that. Just delete the radiuses, I think. Cool. Now we're not gonna be taking damage at all right now because these guys don't actually do anything to us. But we have it set and we have it linked to the health. I think we're gonna keep... I think we want to keep it so it's squared at the top. Or actually we'll do... Yeah, I think we're gonna keep it square all the way through for the player. Yeah. Yeah, I think that'll be fine for now. Because we can always easily come back through and just change the radius, or the corner radiuses, radii, whatever it is. Cool. And this should be linked to the health, because we have, well, it's not health here, it's in auto attack. No, it's in the summoner. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, right here in the ready. Now I want to for organizing code, should you have the ready and the physics processes at the very top, or do you want all the other functions first? I think you want it at the top. Yeah. Can I, if I collapse this, can I just do this and then it'll bring the entire thing up? Or will I be breaking it? Oh, that's, I guess I just do that and then I'll bring it up. Here. We'll leave it. Yeah. Oh. And then we'll bring the physics process up. Literally everything. That looks like it's overwriting. Yeah, it is overwriting it. Oh, wait, no, it isn't. No, we're good. GUI text edit index P column 53. Unhandled input. Do this. We'll go space V. Just that'll work. Yeah, cool. Okay, that looks better. Sweet. All right, now we're on to the attack. So then we can actually see us lose damage or lose health as we take damage. I was thinking in terms of like how easy something might be. I feel like doing the melee attack first might actually be more complicated than doing the purple cast first, because we already have the logic for creating a spell bolt and shooting it out, and also setting the bolt, which is in our auto attack area. Yeah, try giving him range. All right, we'll do that. So this guy is the exact same as the fairy red, except he's floating in the air, and really his collision or like detection area for firing is this set area 3D here. So that way it fires like right in front of it, in front and belowish. And it might do a little bit from behind, but like I think because it's always going to be facing the target, I don't think that's an issue. So we jump to the auto attack area, which is the one that's also attached to this purple guy. And we are going to create the node for the projectile, add a child, and then get the position of it so it spawns in the center of the auto attack area, aka like where the character is. And then, well, I guess instead of one, because this guy is flying in the air, we can do, we have to see how high he is. 3 meters high. So we'll do it at 3 meters. Slight issue though. If we mess with this script here, it's gonna mess with our summoner. Because then the summoner will be shooting the bolt from 3 high instead of shooting it where it is. Okay. Might have to make a new... I don't want to make another one. Back to the summoner. Where? Ranged player value. Wait a sec. We're not even shooting the attack from there. We're shooting it from... Wait. Open all these back up. Let's just set the radius, set the height. I don't care about that right now. Did we ever call casting? This guy right here? How is our summoner attacking right now? Oh, so the timer node is the one that's actually doing the casting. Let's jump over to him. Oh, no, because we made the timer node in the script. Over here. Yeah, create timer wait time, on timer timeout. Where do we air attack? Where are we creating this timer? It's in the auto attack area. Maybe it's in the summoner? Take damage? No. That's the dead. Oh, here it is. No, it's set timer speed. Oh, wait, I'm not even looking at the... There it is. Okay. There's the timer. On timer timeout. So then in the enemy class, we need to find where we set the timer. And we don't. Back to enemy class. We set the timer in the ready. I thought I did that in the ready. No, I did, yeah. Oh, it's the summoner. Enemy class. Set timer speed. Yeah, it looks like I'm setting it. Is it working? I'm just dumb? No. I know we didn't set an animation for it. Start attack. Start attack. If attack type is equal to 2, which is the ranged, then you play cast 1. And we go back. If the errors in the debugger are... Wait, auto attack area is disabled. Because this viewport stuff is just because it also has a I think it has an assigned viewport within. Calling preferred method, area 3D auto attack area, set disabled method not found. That's for the death. Unreachable code statement can attack. Oh, wait, no, can't attack. Oh. Is there a way to do it? Remove line 44. Don't remove. Oh, okay. I'll try that. But I don't think over here, is it possible to check whether it's doing attack one or cast one? Like, can we do a attack one, cast one? I know that's not the way to do it, but an or like that. That's not an or, is it? That's a string and string. Or is a thing. Or playback.get current node is equal to cast one. Well, we don't want to, because we're using the same enemy base class for the melee and the ranged, and we're just calling which type of attack to do, whether it's attack type 1, which is the melee, or attack type 2, which is the ranged. So I think the or might work. It's saying it works, we'll see. He's not even chasing us anymore. Do these guys chase us? No, none of them are chasing. I think it's because it's stopping with these returns. So maybe we do a, instead of return false here, because return just kind of like stops the code there. So it's not even getting to if playback. If health bar is greater than equal to 0. So instead we do if is alive and can attack. Yeah, that might have to be the way. So we'll go back to this and we'll go return true. And then we'll go, do I have an is alive already? No. No, okay, so we'll have to do this. And we'll do func is alive. Oh wait. And then I'm just swapping their names here, which is can attack is alive. Now I have to come back to can attack, and we switch this to is alive. And then can we do a and is or can attack? So make sure that both of them are true. And is a function. That seems pretty solid. So it checks if they're alive and they can attack. Then it checks what attack type they are. Depending on that, we'll do the thing. Trap. They don't chase anymore. Oh, I think there's another can attack with their movement. No. Move 2. It's right here. If is alive and can attack is true. Then we go through all this. And then we check. And then we do move 2. Line 47. Yeah, now it's working again. Okay. Oh, dodged his attack. I guess we just rename it attack 1. But if they have the problem is they're going to have multiple types of attacks. Like, this is the... Then compare that. Okay. And that would be in the can attack function. Okay, so we'll do playback dot get current node. Var current, yeah. Var current equals. And then we do if current is equal to attack 1. And we do another if current equals cast. Do lowercase or uppercase? Uppercase. Cast 1. Return false. Return true. I think all these returns though might break something. Well, because right. Okay. So I think that might work. Yep, he's chasing. I might not have the animation set up properly. He's attacking, good. All right, let's check to see the animations now. Animation tree. Okay. That works. That works. He's not going between them. Do I have to set a condition on these connections? How do you travel to cast one? Isn't it just this way? So it travels immediately. Where's the travel? No. If it's attack type 2, then it's trying to travel to cast 1. Oh. Good call. Good call. So it's just stopping right there. Now let's try it. Ah. Howdy, Bit. How you doing? Oh, look at that. He's casting. He's casting. Nothing's happening, but he's casting. See if these guys are smacking. Yep, they're smacking too. Perfect. Okay. So now we're gonna do... Travel, cast 1, cast 2. There we go. Alright, let's see why it wasn't casting a bolt though, was it? I don't know about nice quite yet. We're getting there. It's starting to look like a real game. Oh, he's just... Wait, whoa. He's just casting. It's like looping between... There's the cast, and then he idles. And he's casting, idle. Casting, idle. He's not even casting anything. So I think something's wrong with the animations. Boop. Ankle. Yes, it will be for mobile. That's the first platform we're hitting there. We just wanted just like a fun little game. You can just pull your phone out. Oh, my phone's in business. No, it's not. Pull your phone out and be like, something simple. Well, we thought was going to be something simple, but... Alright, let's go to the animations on the red one and see what we did. Switch. We did immediate auto. Oh, we'll put up for attack. Enabled an immediate. No, I got enabled immediate. Enabled immediate. At end, auto. At end, auto. Maybe setting a fade time. Please don't be casting. Oh, he's casting. Oh, look at him. He's just casting away. He's just non-stop casting. Bad. What are we doing? Enabled. There's no condition. No condition. Attack one goes auto at end. Auto at end. This tells me it must be something in the code that's not doing it. Let's bring you down. Go. He's ranged with a ranged ray. Little death animation. Then we go over here. So if he's attack type 1, on start attack it will travel attack 1. If attack type 2, he'll travel to cast 1. And then just returns false. And then we go back up to... Ooh. Do we not have start attack? That's why it's just looping, because it's running through this and then saying like, oh, it's attack type 2, so we should just constantly play this. Oh, that wouldn't explain why the red guys are perfectly fine. Oh, start attack right here. If ranged ray has overlapping body. Oh, hold up. Player? No, what? Wait, that's the red. Area, collisions. There we go. It was hitting the world the whole time. Now, play and pray. There we go. He's looking mopey, and he's casting. Look at him go. Oh! You see that? He shot us. Okay. It was a little smaller, but he shot us. Let's change his attack speed up a little bit. Character stats. Where do we got? Attack speed here. We'll go to like, we'll just like rapid fire this real quick. And we'll also set his health to be like 100. So we don't kill him too fast. Ooh. Yeah, you can see it's shooting. Like, you can kind of see it let's full screen here. See, it's like kind of shooting. Right there. Oh, wait, is he still? No, he's not. Okay, I think we need to make him stop moving when he casts. Yeah, it's like shooting, but not well. So we'll go back onto the class. Now, why does the red one stop moving when he attacks? Oh, that's not gonna work. Oh, projectiles by hitting itself. I think the projectile is set to enemy. Yeah, because we're using a Spellbolt Summoner instead. And if we go to the scene of it, yeah. And then there it is. Yeah, it's hitting itself. Okay. So we need to make a new Spellbolt, basically. I wonder, can we just do a copy of this and then just change the material color? Where is it? Where's the funny word? Albedo. There it is. Just want to see if that will do anything. No. That doesn't. Oh. What did I do? There we go. I think we're going to try to make a copy of the Spellbolt Summoner. And then new inherited scene is what we do. And then we're going to rename this. Keep it there. And I think we need to get rid of the yellow. Is it instantiate? How do we ensure that this copy will not affect the source? I want to say it's maybe not instantiate. Let's see, I wrote down what instantiate meant somewhere. Maybe I wrote it in here. Set the collision mask with code. Yeah, but I like the big thing is I'm gonna want eventually the spell bolts to be like different colors. So we'll have this pinkish jelly bean looking thing, like that will be for the player, and then the purple fairy will maybe shoot like a darker colored purple or something. So I know I will want different spellbolt colors. I guess you could set the color in the code as well. If you use something like make it easier to scale up their AI. That is some high-tech stuff for me, dude. That is... it's fine to have multiple projectiles. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna save that though. Save there. Okay. Yeah, no. The AI is a little bit too complex for this game, I think, because it's really just the way they move is through these areas. So when you get close enough, it'll be like an aggro range and they will start running at you. And then when you hit their next collision range, basically, or like their fake raycast that we made, then it will tell them to attack. They don't really need to do any like wandering or anything like that. They're just gonna chill in specified areas until you walk over to them. That's the thought, anyway. Okay. So with making multiple projectiles, we can just copy it and then I know this is going to mess with the other one. Maybe instantiate the child scenes? We'll do this. We'll do... That's a very long name. But that should be fine. Yeah, we'll save that there for now. Okay. I think we... What happens when I do this? Oh, that just adds something. We don't want that. Because when they're yellow, it means that they can affect the other one, I believe. Let's try it. We'll just rotate it a little bit. Save. Go to this guy. Oh, okay. No, it doesn't. It doesn't mess with it. Okay. Never mind. I'm just worried about nothing. Alright, mesh instance. Material. Albedo. No. Oh, I can't change it because I made this in Blender. Nuts. We might need to open Blender. We can just use this one for now. I mean, it doesn't really matter. We'll go back to the purple. We will go to his auto attack area. Change the projectile. Clear. Load. Where did we put it? Nope, we didn't put it there. Here it is. Very open. Save. And then go back to the purple fairy one. Collision. And we go to, not collision, mesh instance. No, it was, yeah, layers. Layer 2. I sworn it was collision though. I guess not. Oh, it's here, it is, dirt. We'll reset this. Mesh instance. We'll just go bam. Save. Mask. Looking for player. Save. Fairy realm. Play. And moment of truth. Whoa. Okay, he's an angry boy. Oh, ooh. Look at that. Right there. Look at that in the corner. It's already taken our health away. I thought we'd have to like mess around with it more. Ooh. Okay. Now we need him to stop moving when he casts. Oh, it broke because I died. Right? Yeah. Okay. We need him to stop moving when he's casting. To do that, we will go here. Enemy class. It's down a little bit. And then instead of start attack, or we'll do start attack, and in start attack, here it is. If 2, we'll do moving equals false. False. Oh, moving wasn't declared because it's thing specific. So we'll do move 2 equals false. Or not false. Move to how do you tell it to not run a function? Unless we move this variable to out of the physics process and just up here, and then we can say move to, or animation tree set cast 1 or travel cast 1 not moving. I think we just try it. I think. Control X. You'll break B. Now you should unbreak. Save. And then do that. Oh, but we don't want to do animation tree set because we're using a play state, so it's not good to use animation tree. Can I do not moving? Oh, it's gonna check if it's not moving. I think. I don't think that logic works. Might crash here. Oh no, he's just zooming. Okay, that did nothing. That's still so cool. Okay. Attack type 2. Moving is a vector 2. So actually we'll just do moving equals 0. Moving equals vector 2 . just do equals 0? I don't know if that will start it back up though. No, that doesn't work either. If attack type 2 it's the move 2 that's making him do it. Okay. So we'll revert everything we just did. Which, here we go. Save that. So how would you turn off move 2 then? No way, no, that's not gonna work. Unless you have to have a whole new function just to stop. Let's see what move 2 does. Direction equals vector 3. Yes. Right here. Line 37. If is alive and can attack. Yeah. So if it is alive and it can attack, then it does it all. Does all that. And the reason we need to keep can't, like, I know you could just remove can't attack there, or like set can't attack to equal false or whatever, but then it will mess up the melee enemy, because the melee enemy, for some reason, the melee enemy is stopping to attack. Like, if you look at it, he like stops, hits. It might be because of the animation itself. Watch, he goes. Oh wait, he doesn't stop. I'm dumb. Wait a sec. Try unindenting line 50. In my background while I make dinner. Also, hi. Hey, Tablet. What are you making for dinner? Line 50. This one. If current cast is equal to 1. Ah, duck breast, roasted potatoes. Huh. I don't know how I feel about salad, but duck sounds pretty fancy. And I love potatoes. Big fan of potatoes. Oh, Jesus. You're like, there's just a little glitch there. So, oh, he is angry. Not get away from him. But he's still not stopping. Maybe we don't want him to stop now I'm thinking about it. Oh, these guys stop though. Can attack only returns false if current attack one as much as possible. Hang on. Hold up. So we got these guys. Yeah, these guys will stop and attack now. There they go. Dodge. That's cool. And this guy, he just, yeah. He does not. He just An angry little guy. I feel like this might make the game a little too difficult for people. And by people, I mean too difficult for me. I don't want to die because it'll crash. Oh, wait. I had something. Nope, that didn't do anything. Yeah, give it what it wants. Alt Z. I might. Do we think this mechanic would be too difficult if like the casters just chase you down and the melees stop to attack? Yeah, hang on, look at that. I like that. You can kind of like dodge their attacks. But then this guy, you just cannot get away from him. He's gonna mess you up. Oh, I didn't close it in time. Oh, it's angry. There we go. Bless you. Is it from before? You know, I think we might just make them chase while shooting. They're like they'll be extra difficult enemies. Alright, we'll set their, before I forget, change their attack speed all the way down to like 25. So they're not absurd. Cool. Now we want to add a death animation, or add all the animations because we have it on a blend space still. We don't like blend spaces anymore. Those are for noobs. We like animation node state machines. Yeah. Animation node state machine. So we shall delete that. Go back to our animation tree. And get rid of that. Animation node state machine. Yeah, the animation player. And then we're gonna come up here. Yeah, let's move it over here. Move you over here. Now we got a lot of animations. I gotta remember which one was which. We have the idle. I think we were using run. We were using spellcasting, I think. Wait, let's see what we were using. We can kind of look at them. Depose idle. Spellcasting. I don't know if I like that one actually. Oh! Nothing happened. And I made the same progression for raw dogging the animations. Yep. Oh yeah. Crash. There we go. Add animations. What was it spellcast shoot maybe? know what? I don't think we even had a spellcast animation. Now I'm thinking about it. Go back to idling. Wait, what's this idle? Oh, it's the same. So we had spellcast shoot. We have this list is huge. Running. I think we want running B. Looks pretty intense. Let's see what running A looked like. Oh, that's a little hoppy. No, we're not gonna do running A. Okay, we do this. Do that. One more animation check. We want to see what spellcast raise looks like. Okay, now that's too. Oops. Ah, drats. Okay. Spellcast shoot is the one. Now we get our little connections ready. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom, bada. Oh, not that way. Bam. Back over here. And we start. Save you. Let's go back to you. Animation tree. We had it on auto immediate. I think auto immediate. Oh, whoa, auto. Yeah. Immediate and auto. Immediate and auto. Immediate, auto. And our condition is not that. We call it run. Run. And then here, our immediate auto condition idle. Make sure I'm doing this right. Bottom goes to idle. Auto, run, auto, run, cast one, auto, run, or auto idle, auto run. Perfect. Then we do like 0.1 for all their fade times. And then the attack was a sync enabled going down. Sync enabled. Going up is at end auto. At end auto. 0.1. 1. At end and auto. Save. Make sure they. You're not the run animation. What is going on here? Oh, because we didn't attach to start. Boop. And then the start was a immediate auto. Immediate auto. Save. Play run maybe? Play idle? Play start? Idle? Run? Oh, he just goes immediately to casting. What is... Why are you doing that, buddy? Oh, it's immediate auto on the run to cast? I don't think it's supposed to be that. Immediate enabled. On the cast. Alright, we'll see what happens here. I think the logic's broke though. Oh, yeah. I like that. Okay, we have no animation. That is a script error though. For sure. We don't want this anymore. But we want something similar. Or do we? Save that. Go. Nope, that's not working. Let's see. Let's see what's making these guys do it. Here it is, this one. In the physics process. Oh. Bada bing, bada boom. Please work. Ooh. Just a very, very slight movement. You can see the break in the shadow here where it's like, I think maybe you can. It's kind of hard to see. But look at that. We're moving. We're not casting, but we're moving. Alright, so now we gotta cast one when we attack. Make sure it actually is called cast one. Yep, cast one. Playback.travel cast one. Oh man, that's... Maybe we have to make it the start attack function for them as well. And it will just be start attack, playback.travel, cast one. In the Hmm. Wait, do I have playback equals? Yeah. Wait, playback is something very different in the summoner thing than the enemy class. Oh, because that's in the ready. Never mind. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Rowdy. Da da da. We want to attack. In the part we call for the attack is maybe we can just throw it under casting in the auto attack area. Or we just take the start attack function in the attack type. Where's attack type? Here it is. We'll do that. We'll just make it easy. Copy that, bring that over. Paste that. Then back over here. Grab you. Copy. And paste. Save. Now we go to the summoner. They are arranged. Save that. And we're gonna see something really cool. Maybe not. I guess not. I thought that was gonna work. Oh, because we don't call the start attack at any point. Duh. We're gonna call the start attack in the physics process. Oh, that's too many indents. Get rid of all of you. And then don't need any of that. Oh, we need the isAlive function. That's not in any process. Oh. What did the can attack do? Oh, it's just if current. Oh, we might be coding geniuses here, team. Oh God! Oh no! Oh me, oh my! That's no bueno. I couldn't even move. I take everything I just said back. You know what? We don't even need that. Now I'm a coding genius. Nope. Oh, because we broke the physics process like dummies. Wait. Now it will be fixed. Why are we still attacking? What's going on here? What are you doing? Why are you attacking when you don't need to? Oh, because it's just, if it is attacking, then return to that. We need to do can attack. So we do need this. And then we copy that. This is not in the physics process. There we go. And then we do also can attack. If is alive and can attack. Nope, still doing it. Bad. And nuts. Bad. Oh, because we have it where it will do it if it's overlapping bodies, if the melee ray. So instead, because we don't want the ray with our player, we're just going to say if bodies are entered. So where is it? Damage dead and start attack is alive. Auto attack area dot. So instead of if attack type, we'll say if auto attack area dot find closest target is not equal to null, then we start attack. All right, that might have worked. Let's test. Yep. Yeah, that works. It looks dumb, but it works. Oh, I don't have a death animation. Here. Okay. We're actually cooking here. This is going good. All right. Now we want the death animation for our player. So we'll go back to the state machine, add animation, and ooh, do we want death A or death B? Well, okay, that's just a fall backwards. Death B. I like that one. That's our winner. And I think we have to call it a summoner dead. Then we hop over back into the script. Boop. Go to our is dead function. Data travel death underscore animation. So where is death animation? So we didn't actually call it death animation and it still works. Unless in the enemy class we called it. We changed what death animation means. Yeah, we did. Death animation, export variable, death animation string. Export variable, death animation string. Oh, cool. Look at us, we already got it. And then we called it death animation. Here it is. And we called it summoner dead. Oh. Make sure we called it that. Summoner dead. Summoner dead. Alright, team, here we go. Time for us to die. That's the goal. I should definitely lower our health first. That would be kind of useful now. That's here. Max health, we'll just do 5. And we'll shoot our attack speed down to 10. We'll shoot nice and slow. Alright. Here we go. Kill us. Do it. Do it. Oh, whoa! We don't want that to happen. Go back to dead. We don't want the scale or the position. We just want to do death. So get rid of our tweens. And we have to, wait, actually. You know what, let's add that, make it small. I think that sounds cool. This might cause an issue with the collision shape. So I think that's what's causing us to fall through the world. But it also could have been just that y-axis drop. And then we just fall. Oh! Nope, it's the collision shape. Okay, we don't want to for our collision shape. We can let them overkill us. I think that's fine. It adds to the feeling of loss. Someone just keeps shooting you when you're down. Let's get another guy on us. Oh wait, these guys don't do damage yet. Okay, we don't want to shrink. I think the shrinking is what's getting us here. Oh wait. Playback. I don't know if await playback is the term. Actually, what am I doing? We don't even need to queue free ourselves. We're the player. Yeah. Get out of here. We do need to stop our movement. So to do that, we can just take off. Let's see here. I wonder, to stop us from being able to move after, can we just reset our input directions to be just like something random? Or would that break it because it doesn't know what it's looking for? Let's see. Godot, turn off. Maybe that. Oh. What did I just do? Okay. Set process. Input false. Oh wait, we have an is alive function. Why did anyone call me dumb earlier? Is alive if player health bar value is less than or equal to 0, we return false. So maybe in the is alive function, we can do is alive equals false. Return player health greater than 0. Oh. Return player health greater than 0. Wait, no, it has to be. Greater than 0. Wait, no, that doesn't work. Hang on. Health. I don't know if that works. Or maybe am I putting it in the wrong place? Equals, but health. I'm trying to refer back to over here. I guess here. Because what we do is in the characters. Holy crap. Did I not? Oh. I think I found a problem. No, export variable. Character stats. Why is that not showing up? Export variable stats, character stats. But it ain't in the inspector. There it is. Over here we have our health. So this would be max health or current health. I don't think current health is actually linked to anything. But we can just set max health as well. So we'll do return max health, or no, stats dot max health less than equal 0. Now we'll set our health to 0, which, I mean, our health already equals 0 though when we die. Max health will always be more than 0. Yeah, I think what we need to do is just turn off our ability to move. Like, I think that's it. Turn off because we turn off our ability to attack. So now we have to turn off our ability to move. And our movement logic is up here in the physics process. Wait, no, it's not. Yeah, it's right up here. So I wonder if there's a way to, yeah. If your current HP is 0, your max can still be whatever. Right. But right now we're just worried about turning off character movement because we die. I don't know if you caught it, but we do die and we do the dying animation. But now it's a matter of, it's kind of annoying that they do this, but there it goes. We want to turn off this movement here. I mean, also, I guess we want to turn off our collision shape, but when we do that, we end up falling through the world. Oh, unless we keep the mesh instance. No, that's not right. Wait, yeah, we should be able to turn off collision shape and not fall through the world. So that's what the enemies do. Over here. I wonder. Yeah, we have over here in take damage is if the value of the health bar is 0 or less than or equal to 0. We could... Let's make sure we don't fall through the ground real quick with that collision shape. Hoping we don't, because that would solve a lot of problems. Okay, we do. Crap. Crap. We are trying to make it so when we die, not only do we play the death animation, but we stop attacking and enemies preferably stop attacking us. And then also we don't allow ourselves to move around anymore. Problem is when we turn off the collision shape here, we just fall right through the world. The auto attack area works, so we no longer attack. Does the player have is alive function? I believe so. Yes, it does. Put that at the start of your physics. Oh. But don't return true. So we'll do this. Oh, hold up. Just call it, yep. Where'd it go? Oh no. What did I pressed Alt Z too many times, or Control Z. Let's see, where are we? Is alive is not found. Here it is. We'll just grab it back from over here. Dead, start attack. is alive. Okay, is alive's back. We're good. And then it goes player, health bar, save, and then physics process. If is alive, if not is alive, return false, or return if it's false. Okay. Well, if it's not alive, then return true. Or just return. Just return. All right, let's give that a go. Oh, nice. Okay, we're just not playing the death animation though. And we're still attacking. So instead of doing that, we'll do if not is alive, then we need to play dead. We do dead, then we do return. Dead. Try that. So now we should get the death animation in there along with the anti-attacking. I think I still... Oh, nice. Oh, are we still attacking? We are. Why are we still attacking? Something with my dead. Collision shape is set to disabled. Auto attack area is also disabled. Dang. So what would be a more advanced way to do it? Yes. It does have a timer. Oh, I don't think it does. So when we die, we want... Well, that's weird, because it says if we're alive and we can't attack, then, and the auto attack area is not null, then we start attack. But we're obviously not alive if we're dead. Because up in here, if not is alive, then we're dead. And if alive is not, then how is this true? I don't know if that sentence made any sense there. Now I'm thinking about it. If we're not alive, we're dead. And if we are alive and we can attack, is it the casting function? Spilling water all over the place. So maybe in the casting function we can say if they're not, or if alive is true, then we do all that. And then return. Oh, we don't have is alive even set here. Oh, then we have to get a function from a different script, which is not fun. Function attack script rating triggered. Oh man, I feel like I might have written this down, how to call a function from a different script. Maybe I didn't. Rats. Not quite sure. Where do you even begin with this? All right, let me talk this out. So we got we just need to how is the auto attack area script still running if we set it to off or just set it to disabled? Get auto attack area. Maybe we call the variable instead. Instead of get auto attack area call deferred, we do auto attack area. Oh, it doesn't turn off. It just sets it to disabled, which look at an inspector on area 3. Oh crap. Okay, one sec. I just need to try and fail this. Yeah, okay. Get auto attack area. Area 3D. Oh, so it just stays there. It's the shape. It's the shape, actually. You're turning off the shape. Okay. Now that... Because it works for the other guys. Like, the other guys don't attack once that happens. Or a toggle. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Put a toggle in there. So we would actually, to toggle, we could do like a export like 2 flags, and then if one is checked, then return or active. Is toggle an actual function? No. Oh, PC battery running. 1 second, I'll plug this in. I see. Hang on. Auto detect area. So we definitely want to. Cannot sit still. There we go. We'll do export. Flags. And we'll call one on, off. I have to see how else we used it. In a variable. On, off, variable, toggle. Save. Better if that's a bool. Okay. So we'll just do export variable toggle as bool. Save. On, off, on, off. Okay. And then where's our ready? Do we not have a ready? We don't. So we'll just come over here, do function ready if toggle equal true, false, return. Oh, but that will just close that singular function, won't it? It won't shut down the whole thing. Unless we just don't even put it in the ready. And we just do if toggle is equal to false, return. You can't put an if in a class body. Maybe we do it in the I wonder, do it in the find closest target for the toggle. So we say if toggle is equal to false, return. And that way it doesn't try to find overlapping bodies, effectively turning it off. Because if it can't find overlapping bodies, it can't shoot. We'll give it a go. Try to make a toggle function that takes a value. Okay. Variable to active also. Oh. We'll just do toggle active. And then we'll check if it's on. If toggle equals true, toggle does not equal no, if toggle equals false, return. A toggle at fault equals, I get it, toggle equal value. Value equals no. I'm not quite understanding this. You have in this, you can probably set the collision shape child's disabled property. In the toggle active. So if the auto attack area is active, the disabled property of the collision shape is false. If If the auto attack area is turned off, the collision shape disabled property is true. If auto attack area is active, if get say auto attack, click on the collision shape 3D and look at it in 3D view. Disabled. Collision shape 3D and look at it 3D view. What? Right. And we're just turning it disabled or not disabled. Wait a. Disabled collision shape has no effect in the world. It's doing the... But it'll be doing the same thing as dead, right? Where it's called deferred, set, disabled, true. Yeah, with the opposite of the value. Okay. So if you tell the auto attack area to be toggled on, disabled should be false. Off. Okay. Now how do you tell the... Does it say like if you don't give value, like is it going 0 and 1? So like value is, it's currently on false. And then when I click this, it's true. When you die, you say auto attack area dot toggle active false. Oh. So we come back over here. Instead of doing this, we'll go auto attack area dot toggle. Auto attack area dot toggle active. And then false. It's quite confusing. Quite confusing indeed. Okay, so let's break this down. We make an export variable called toggle, and it's a Boolean. That gives us this in the inspector. Then we made a function called toggle active, and we gave it a value. It should say active, really? For instead of variable toggle, call it active. And then we'll just call this toggle. Back over here. Okay. And then the value in the second line is not active. Right, because it's disabled as... It's true that it's disabled. It's not it is a little confusing. It's I get it. They're doing opposites of each other. So when toggle is on, the collision shape is off. When the collision shape is off, the toggle's on. Wait, I just said the exact same thing. When the toggle is off, the collision shape is disabled. When the toggle is on, the collision shape is enabled. So when I click this, it would make it disabled. Or if it's active, it's not disabled. Okay, so right now the toggle is not active. Oh, clicking that doesn't do anything. Why did we put this here? This is just for show. Guess we don't need to export it. Oh, you can use it for other checks. What kind of other checks? Like, what would be an example of another check? Or something we would use there? Oh. Proper coding techniques, though, in case we ever need it. Cool. We're no longer attacking. Perfect. I'm fine with these guys attacking us, honestly. Yeah, no, we don't shoot anymore. We just had the BM of the enemy, that works. Although, now that I'm looking at it, I am starting to think we need to make the ferry stop. Because look at that, you can't even see you don't even see his flying animation. It just kind of looks like he's... I guess if he has a larger range, then it would look like it. Let's up his range real quick. 3D viewer. This one? No. This one. And we'll up it to 20 by 20. Save. That didn't look like it actually moved. We're gonna hope it did. Yep, there it goes. Oh, but he's shooting. He's still shooting while moving. Like without doing the animation. Look at this. Wait, why are we shooting from so far away? We should not be shooting from this far away. Purple. 20 by 20. 10 by 10. Are they sharing radiuses? If I change the radius, the auto attack area radius in the purple guy, is it changing it for all of them? Oh, they do have the same collision. So I need to, hang on, editable children? No, not like that. In the main scene. In this one. Collision shape. And that's how you change it. Yeah. Set it local. Oh, wait. There should be a way to... Local to scene. Look at me. I'm learning. Whew. Okay, so now... When we hop over to this guy... And we bring it to 20 by 20. Let's do 25. Oh, it maxes at 20. 10 by 10. No. Nothing. By 20. Summoners on 10 by 10. So let's try that. Nope, they're still both 10 by 10. Gonna reset those. That's a good question. Do they? Oh, I don't think we set that up yet. No, we did not set that up. That was because that was the more complicated thing I was going to talk about. Was so it's like the next little thing is just look at my notes back there. Yeah. Okay. So the next little complicated thing was trying to make that radius, like the height and the width, based off of one variable called attack range. So when we set the attack range on the character over here, it will scale those both by whatever value, by whatever math we need for that. Because later in the game, the player is going to be able to increase their range, and that range is going to be also kind of tied with camera distance. So let me better explain that. So when it comes to the range, I think this is a very important part of the... I'll just go full screen. A very important part of the game, because we want to eventually show the range as like a circle. So you can see who's in your range, who's not, and then that adds a little bit of a skill gap or skill ceiling, if you will, skill floor, where you can kind of bring them in and out of your range to kite. Now, the reason we want to attach the camera as well is because larger your attack range, the more of the screen you're going to have to see. And so that's why, if you noticed how it seemed like it was glitching, when we move, I made it so the camera also lerps, like on the y-axis. And so ideally, this camera distance would go a little bit bigger or farther out, and you can see a circle, or not like a full circle, but just like the outline of a circle kind of appear in. Because the movement for this game, which also needs to be changed later, is not WASD because it's a mobile game. So it's going to be where my cursor is, like a joystick. And that's where you can, where'd my phone go? You can kind of hold your phone, hold your phone, and then use your thumb and, it's going invisible. Hold your thumb and you can move around. That part, my initial thought is to get that circle to show. Might be able to do it in Blender, or not Blender, in Godot, where we just add a mesh instance that can go through everything. Or maybe like a UI thing that is connected to when you move, it appears and then disappears. And then that will be tied to the attack range variable over here, the attack range. Does that make sense? I think it's a lot of complicated math though, because we're gonna want to do pop over here. Go. So it'll be boom. That will be us. Oh, that is. Yeah. Ah, howdy. How you doing? I think my drawing thing just exploded. What a shame. I tried making it work and then it disappeared. Yeah, it did. Oh, drats. How you doing, Mixed? Let's swap this goal to range. Oh, you know. Same old. Just bashing our heads against a wall and hoping the wall breaks. Here, I'll give you a little, oh, that's not right. Attack. Range. That's the goal. There we go. Give you a little showcase of what we've all been working on here. I'll just go full screen so you can see. So we added the player animation. We have the fairy, so they can fly at you and shoot. And then you have a health bar in the top left corner. And then when you die, death animation. And then for the BM factor, they just keep on attacking you. Definitely not because we didn't want to figure out how to stop them. Definitely not. I like the little BM though. I think it's good. Okay. Yeah, it's starting to look like it's like I think we can officially call it a game. Because you have an objective, kill the guy, and then before they kill you. Except that's not quite possible right now. You can't like regen health or anything, so you're just gonna die no matter what. Or it's just a skill issue. And then we also have to... Oh, actually... We also have to add the attack damage to these little guys as well. I think... Now that I'm looking at that, maybe we don't... I've been like putting off this attack range thing because it seems very scary. There's a lot of math that I think is going to be involved. I don't know if that's a thing. Man, we gotta hit the range at some point though. And then by hitting the range, now we can control... I guess the range is more of like a polish type thing though. Yeah, it is. All right, we're gonna change this goal here real quick. We're gonna change it to melee attack. So we're gonna get these little red guys to start slapping. They already do the animation, so it hopefully will be simple where we just connect it to the do damage function. Enemy class, and then we go to where they actually take damage. Start attack. No, that's gonna be the melee auto attack, sorry. So we don't need this casting function anymore. We're just gonna comment it out for now. We don't need the on projectile body entered. Still learning Godot myself because you raycast the play and check the length. Yes, but we found that raycasting is too precise. And so instead of raycasting, what we did was we just put another area 3D, which is this sphere here. And whenever that detects someone, then it will shoot. With the raycast, we found that you have to stand right on top. Like if this guy's raycast was pointing, you'd have to stand on top. Same thing with the red guy. If the raycast was popping out of his neck, for example, you'd have to be right on top of him. And then like, yeah, so we just did a little area 3D, and I think that's gonna work the best for us right now because it's not a very precise game. It's more of you're moving around and you could be standing a little bit to the right, a little bit to the left. Oh, for the range. Well, for the range, we have the auto attack area. So it's just a big area that goes around the player, right? This like gray one goes around the player or anything like that. Yeah. Because we also want to be able to attack from all sides. All right, so we're gonna get the melee red guy to do damage. That's the play. Melee auto attack. So we have on melee body entered. We have it connected to the melee. And then melee attack equals... That's not right. We need to set a timer. And the timer is going to tell us how often to attack. Where did we make our timer again? I keep forgetting where we made the timer. Let's check the ranged one. We might have made the timer. Let's get timer. Might have made it in the enemy class. We did not. Wait a sec. Our little Oh, no. We made... Duh, the timer's here. We didn't make the timer in the code. We just put it here. So in the melee auto attack area, we have a timer. So we're going to go down to this. Instead of casting, it will be melee. Find closest target. Set timer speed. Attack speed curve, attack speed. I think that's fine. Real attack time, which was over up here. It's attached to attack speed curve. No way that's just gonna work. Take damage. Where's take damage? Take damage is not there. Take damage would have to be in the player. Yep. Take damage. Okay. Is that really all the logic? No. No way. That's not. There's no way. Yeah, there is no way. Because we're not calling on melee body entered at any point. Are we? No. In the process, what do we do here on target, find closest target, find closest target, get overlapping bodies. What if we go to... This is just to tell it to make itself and where to go. Or just where to go, actually. And then to delete itself when it gets there. So we don't want that. We want... on melee body entered. Where's melee auto attack? Close that. Close that. Close that. Close that. Close that. Okay. Auto attack area, and then we want melee auto attack area open. Here it is. So melee auto attack area with the timer. Go back to the enemy. Close. Enemy class. Dead? No. Move 2, don't need. We got start attack. We got take damage, we don't need that. Can attack. Okay. Alive. Moving. Sets the timer speed to the attack speed. Where's the... Where's the start attack maybe? No. Take damage. No. I feel like it's something super simple, but we're not finding it anywhere. Melee auto attack area. So let's look at what on projectile body entered. Oh, so we need to do here, we need to connect on melee body entered. Oh, we did that. Area 3D, collision shape 3D. Maybe that's where it's getting confused because it doesn't know which collision shape 3D to go after. So we can rename this guy to slap area. Save. Then we go slap area. Or no, we'll call it melee. Melee area. Melee area. Then when it connects, body.take damage. Please work. No. Unless he's doing like no damage. Yeah, he's doing like no damage. Set it to one shot. So now he should one shot us. Oh, we one shot him. Oh, we really messed that up. Hold up. Why did that? Very red. Undo that. Why did the stats on the fairy red change the stats on our player? Oh, because I think it's not doing a new character stats dot new maybe. Character stats equals character stats dot new. No, you can't do that. Dot new. Can't do that either. So I thought it would be. Let's get rid of this. New character stats. Attack damage 100. Save. Play. No, we're still doing 100. And that's just because it was trying to fire on a dead thing because we killed it so fast. Summoner. His damage is literally 1. Me class. No. Melee auto attack range. Take damage. Damage. Take damage. It's just the same there. Where else do we have take damage? Nowhere. We've set damage. Connect on melee body entered. I wonder if that's not actually connected. It's not. Okay. Okay. Where's melee auto attack? Body entered. On melee area body entered. Do we have to do a signal? Took damage. We also have the signal took damage. Take damage. Then you boom boom. Does anyone have any ideas with this? Am I just being really dumb right now? I mean, that's obviously, but melee body entered. Melee attack, melee area. Let's do this. How to actually enemy melee attack Godot 3D. We'll try this one out.
Hello.
We want the
two methods on how to implement
enemy to
melee
attack,
attacks
not
for
the
your 3D
player.
project.
Third person, melee weapons. Trying to write a 3D melee attack in Godot here. Is the code, but it won't work. Nope, that's for making someone else attack. Godot 3D, how to make enemy attack. Make an enemy AI chase and attack. That sounds pretty solid.
Hello, my name is Isaac and I am Chef Dev. Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be talking about continuing my enemy AI, getting it to recognize the player, getting it to attack and kill myself. Not literally, of course, just figuratively. So let's get started. After having the Pathfinder, the Idol, and the Wonder states implemented, I moved on to getting my enemy prototype to be able to identify the player and chase him like the murderous prototype that he is. This was reasonably simple to implement since I'd already set up the navigation mesh and the pathfinding, so it was just a matter of detecting the player and setting them as the path target. All I needed to do was set up an area around the enemy that if the player walked into, it would send a signal to activate the chase state.
Okay, we got that.
In this state, the player was set to be the path that the murderous enemy would run to. This path, numerous signals triggering states and other signals telling. What I hadn't realized up until this point was that signals triggered code no matter what state I was in. It's kind of obvious now that I think about it, but at the time I was really in this headspace where if I was in a state, nothing else was going to happen. One of the reasons a finite state machine is so powerful, especially for me, is that it helps keep my actions separate. When you're in a state, you know exactly what's going to happen and nothing else can be triggered unless you want it to be. When a signal goes off, it runs whatever line of code it's told to run and it doesn't care about whatever state your fancy state machine is in. So what was I to do? Signals in Godot are like death and taxes. You can't exist without experiencing them, and you can't harness the Godot game engine without signals.
Okay.
Fortunately for me, I know a thing or two about death and taxes, and I was able to solve this issue the same way I solve my clients' financial issues in real life. I smash my head against the problem until either I die or the issue is fixed.
What we're currently doing?
Anyway, after I recovered from my concussion, I was able to work out that since this...
Oh, that's distracting. I have music playing in the background. There we go. Turn that off real quick.
was a node-based state machine, I could compare the current state being run against the state the signal was triggered in. If they match, execute. If not, they can scream into the endless void. After that, the problem was solved, and getting the attack to work was pretty straightforward. I keyed in a quick animation so I could see what was happening, and the animation player handled the rest. I added a knockback for when the player hit to give some feedback. It's a little over-exaggerated right now, but that's just so I can tell what's actually happening. I might dial that back as time goes on. And that's really it. Now I have a prototype enemy that can drop into games when required. All you have to do is replace the mesh and animate him, give him some much needed personality, and you're good to go.
Cool. Well, that's a nice
I wish I had that. The behavior needs some fine tuning, and right now these beanie baddies are actually pretty difficult to handle. And I need to look into steering behavior to smooth out the movement, but for now, they're just fine. I learned a lot on this project with enemy AI, and I'm looking forward to using it and run against the state.
Okay. Oh, I cannot full screen that. That is blurry. Okay, so state machine on timer timeout. We got that. Update delta, got that. Oh, this is enemy idle. You jump into emit signal, finish chase. That's just chasing when they get out of the attack range. We don't want that. Attack state. Okay. Function attack. If they can't attack, or if it's playing, then don't attack. Current animation, exit. Local.
The animation player handled the rest. I added a knockback for when the player hit to give some feedback.
Let's see here. Enemy. Let's still chase.
It's a little over exaggerated right now, but that's just so I can tell what's actually happening. I might dial that back as time
Finished
goes on.
attack.
But that's
What's
just so.
his... He doesn't have an attack function. All right, new plan. We go to our good pal over here. Little... Get over there. There we go. How would you... Actually, hang on. We have an enemy that chases and performs attack animations when in range of the player, but the attacks do not do damage. How do we do damage? Moment of truth. Searching mind. Oh, it doesn't even. Never mind. To implement damage when an enemy attacks, and players think, oh, you're going so fast. We're not using kinematic bodies. Well, it's built in, I think. Pass, apply damage. Apply damage equal. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh, whoa. Okay. So, signal for attacking. Connect the attack signal to a method on the player. We have that. Connect the attack. Alright, we can already take damage. Now, when you apply damage, which is the health minus equals damage. We got that. Emit signal attack. You didn't declare a signal anywhere. It's something to do with this, I think. Melee area. So we get the melee area. So when they enter the area. Oh, wait. When they enter the area, now we need to on melee body entered. Get it? And then connect the attack over. Oh man. A melee body entered. Body dot take damage. So projectile, our fist is the projectile basically. And then our melee is, we don't want to instantiate anything. So we don't add the child either. We don't need the position. Maybe we do melee attack dot target equals target. Nope. That doesn't work either. I guess you can't call it and say that it's target because it doesn't know what it is. So we'll do melee attack equals find closest target. And then when you find the closest target and they enter, you connect by take damage. Please work. Ugh. Wait, what? We're just one-shotting him. Why? Oh, not this thing again. Inspector. Damage. We're literally doing 1 damage. Why are they dying so quick? Red. Max health, 1 hundo. They do 100 damage. Let's make them do 50. No. 25. Nope, they're still not doing anything. Maybe it has to do with our player. Our player has take damage. Took damage. Emit. Took damage, connect to the player's health bar. On character took damage. On character took damage. Where? Maybe that's within the auto attack area? Let's set damage. On character took damage. You know what? We're gonna do some cleanup here, because this we don't need. We don't have any projectiles. We don't have that. We don't need a projectile speed curve. We will keep the attack speed curve though. So we have find closest target. On melee body entered. On melee body entered. Let's go to the melee auto attack again. Go over here. Maybe it has to be in the ferry. In this one. And then we go body entered. Connect to the auto attack area. Oh, what did that do? Wait, why is it in that one? Hold up. Hold the phone. We might have found the issue here. Delete that auto attack area. Control Shift A. Melee auto attack area. Open. Save. Ah, shoot. I broke it. Common parent is null. Where? Common parent is true. Continuing. Not common parent. Oh wait, I'm not looking at the right thing. Here we go. Enemy class. See what happens when we hit play. Oh, we don't have a timer anymore. Is it attached to the auto attack area? It is. Oh, but we have a timer here. On timer timeout. So why? Set timer speed in null instance on null instance. Set timer speed. We don't have anything that sets the timer speed anymore. Let's go to this one. Where do we set timer speed? Right here. Is it not in melee? No, it is in the melee. I think we need to reconnect the timers. Disconnect. Wait, on timer timeout. Function on timer timeout. Oh, because we're still playing. Where did we just add that? On timer timeout. Okay. Save. Oh, nuts. Set timer speed in the enemy class. So let me go to melee auto attack, set timer speed. We have that. Hold. Go to melee auto attack area, go to the timer. On timer timeout. On timer timeout. Enemy class. We need. Oh man. Let's go errors. Don't care about that one. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Okay. Back to the ferry. Let's move that. Save. Enemy class. Maybe it doesn't know what to do with the timer. Yeah, I don't think it knows what to do with the timer. Unless one shot on the timer? No. Non-existent function, set timer speed. Set timer speed value. Set timer speed value. How is this not an existing function? Set timer speed. It's quite literally right there. Are you getting the timer properly? I'm not sure actually. Timer. Like it's saying that there's it's saying that there's a non-existent function of set timer speed in the auto attack area. Auto attack area is nil. So there's something wrong with... Wait, that's not... Auto attack area is in area 3D. Some characters not have a path to their auto attack area. Oh, wait. Wait. Melee? Melee area? Oh, wait. Melee ray. No. Auto attack area. Don't tell me. No, it still didn't work. Oh wait, no, this is a different. This is a different error now. Okay, okay. So we fixed that part. Now it's saying sample on a null value. So what we're trying to do here is just like with the casting, we want the attacks to be based on their attack speed. Maybe we don't even need a curve for that. Yeah. Attack speed curve. Jump to the ferry. Yeah, it doesn't even have an attack speed curve. Or it would be in the auto attack area, actually. Oh, man. Wait. Actually, no, this one goes opposite. Points trash. There. Oh. You don't have to remake it for every character. Oh. Let's do that again. Clear. Load. Where did we put it? Nope, we put it in. Nope. Wait a second. I don't think we put it anywhere. Oh. Alright, hold up. Let's go over to save as. Go to auto attack area. Save as. Here we go. Auto attack area. And we'll put it in resources. Save it there for now. Hop back over to this auto attack area. Actually, we'll go to the melee one. Attack speed curve. Load. Resources. Okay. Attack speed curve. Auto attack area. Oh, whoops. We'll rename it and hope it doesn't break. Oh crap, wait. I put it in resources. Rename. Attack speed curve first. Okay. Saved as attack speed curve. But now the issue was with this guy here. Which I think it's because we don't need to find closest target for it. Let's see what the error said again. Body entered on character body 3D. Here it is. Melee attack dot body entered dot connect melee body entered. I don't need to find closest target. I need to do something else. Maybe I have to get the area 3D. I think. Oh. No, it's not that. Nonsense. Because here I have to get the area of, for this melee area. So we go get melee area. Nope. Let's go back to see what we were doing over here. Hmm. Melee attack is not going to be get melee area. Scared to hold the movement because okay, we're not chasing anymore though. Try that. Now, I don't know. Oh. Okay, nope, that doesn't work either. I need to connect something. I like redid the entire timer, reconnected it all. Because I was using the wrong timer, I guess. But now... man. Let's try that maybe? Hopefully. This is... Whoop. Breaking it all anyways. Okay. That didn't work either. What if we do... Looking... Melee... Target.connect. What if we do this and we do body.take damage, name this body, and then comment this out, and hit play. Okay. Oh, they're just randomly taking damage. That's always fun. Because their areas are colliding with enemies instead of players. They don't need a layer. Save. Which means they're doing damage to each other. Okay. That sounds really promising. Ooh! I think we did it. I think we did it. Holy crap. Okay. Whew. Deep breaths here. We gotta make sure this is okay. 25 damage. And then this is set to 1. Our max health will be 100. Save. Come back over, hit play. Please tell me you guys are seeing this right now. I think we did it. Holy crap. I think we have a real game now. So this guy will come, will shoot at us. That's fine. This guy will come and slap us. Oh, we did it. Oh my lord. We finally learned how to die. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Whew. Oh. My brain hurts. Thank you, Hypnotic. Thank you. Thank you. This is a team effort here. Couldn't have done it without you guys. Oh. Whew. Okay. Let's take some water real quick. Okay. I can't believe it. I just need to see it one more time. Just one more time. We'll just a little full screen real quick. Real quick. All right. He's shooting at us. We're taking damage up there. Of course, all the damage values are like messed up, but that's fine. These guys chase. Oh, dodge that attack because I'm too good at this game. Oh. Oh. There we go. Man. Okay. Holy moly. All right. I want to get next up on the list. Let me think. That was absurd. Okay. We are going to do all right, we want to put the oh man. All right. Okay. I think we're gonna call it there. that was rough. What are we at? We're at like 3.5 hours or something. Let me check. Yeah, about 3.5 hours, a little over. Okay. We're gonna call it there, I think. Holy. Good work, team. Whew. For anyone that's just tuning in, doesn't know who we are, we're Freedom Forge Studios. You can find us on X, formerly known as Twitter, at Freedom Forges. So Forges. Because you can't fit studios in there. It's just too long of a name. There we post just like a quick little recap. Talk to people. Sometimes we'll post like if we're like running late or something for a stream. But speaking of streaming, we stream every single day from about 11:30 to really whenever we finish the task at hand. Texas time, so CST. Yeah, we're just a small little company trying to grow. We got sick and tired of watching our favorite games kind of dwindle down and die. Seeing tons of money grabs, like corporate jargon responses to all the player forums, like just bad balancing. I say bad balancing, but then you look at this game right now and it's really bad, but it's still a work in progress, so it doesn't count. But yeah, we kind of got sick of that. We're like, there's got to be a better way to do this, like a better sustainable way where bringing back that old. I remember when PC games were first coming out, like you could tell there was like love built into the games. Like you could tell that the developers like really liked what they were making and what they were playing because they would play their own games. So we're trying to bring that back, trying to start something up, building up a community, and hopefully we can all work together to realize this. I think it'd be really cool. But we're at, what are we at? we're at a couple people watching. Let's see. Yeah. Well, yeah, I will catch all of you guys tomorrow. And tomorrow we're gonna take up the mantle of doing mathematics to get the player range going. That player range, that's gonna hurt my head a lot. Because basically, we want a little circle to appear around the character here where the cursor is. And then every time we move, it will show. As you can see, we already have a camera movement to it, which is really cool. Yeah. Thank y'all for tuning in. I will catch you tomorrow.